It's that time of year that everyone's getting cooking and getting messy. There's always a need for garment decoration. One forgotten item is the apron. By offering aprons, you can break into the restaurant business, the catering business, even screen printers need aprons. All right, well, let's stitch it. I'm using the actual line of the apron to the line of the hoop. You don't want to adjust too much by pulling on it, because if you warp the material by pulling on it, then your design will be odd. It'll be warped as well. It's just not right. A couple of things I think that could be foiling us is that this isn't long enough. It's not long enough, so it's disappearing inside the hooping. And we're gonna try to keep the seams out of the way of the hoop. That's a little bit better. Now I know my backing isn't gonna slip out. It's coming out on both sides. Top of the apron as straight as it can get. And it looks like these cheap aprons, maybe the pocket, sewn crooked. So it's hard to go by the actual garment. Locked into place. Make sure our handles are out of the way. Okay, so we have our design queued up. Now I want to frame this in here so that I can control where it actually embroiders on here. I think I want to make that so that it starts higher up. Okay, now that we got that, we're ready to go. All right, so here's our finished product. Go, see, that's the back. I used black so that it wasn't as white on the back. So aprons are another thing that you can offer in your shop. It opens up the doors for restaurants and catering. Anyone who needs an apron, it's nice to have a personal logo on there or their individual name. Aprons are a great service to add to your shop offering. Okay, well, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope it inspired you to maybe add aprons as something that you can embroider. As always, remember to subscribe and like, leave any comments, and share this with somebody that you think it would help. Thanks. Happy Thanksgiving.